Hello and welcome. I'm sorry for the hiatus again. I thought I was ready to be back consistently acrylic pouring, but I guess I was wrong. So today pour is going to be a galaxy inspired painting. I am gonna get back to the pours that I did with that I separated the composition by the painter's tape, and I said I was gonna do something in that area, and I asked for you guys suggestions on what I should do. So I really do appreciate that. I am going to get back to that once I get more of the supplies that I need in order to make that happen. In the meantime, it would be good for me to do a galaxy pour series. I haven't done that here on YouTube in a while, so I thought this would be really fun. And I think it said 2 years ago that I last did a galaxy series. I would love to do the deep purples. I can't wait to do those. I was gonna do them first, but I said no, I'm just going to wait, and I'm gonna do the deep purples. I'm gonna save those for last. So I custom mix all of the colors you see here besides black. I custom made the other 4 colors, and that's just titanium white. That's enough of me talking. Thank you to everyone who stayed and didn't unsubscribe because I wasn't regularly posting. I really do appreciate all of the support that I have been receiving on YouTube, and I hope it continues. It's only up from here, but I'm gonna let you enjoy this acrylic painting, and I will talk to you again during the wet result. it is. So let's get into this close-up. Oh, I love how these colors work together for this galaxy pour. Here is where the cup was sitting in the middle of the canvas, so the colors kind of mixed a little bit more, but it gives it the perfect cosmic effect to this galaxy painting. I was a little worried at first because the colors didn't quite spread and open up, and I wanted to keep the composition in the center, but I'm happy that it opened up the way that it did, and it's in the perfect spot of the canvas, still in the center with some on the side here. But oh, it's so pretty, and it keeps adjusting as I get closer to the canvas, but that's okay. Open cup pours are perfect for galaxy inspired paintings because the colors mix and blend just the perfect amount. And if you want a little bit more blending, especially for galaxy pours, open cups are definitely the technique, the go-to technique. I like to swirl the cup when I'm done and use a palette knife to kind of spread those colors and sort of break up whatever happened once you lift the cup up. Perfect. You won't see the dry results in this video, but I'll definitely show you it in the next one. Consider this the first painting of a galaxy series. And stay tuned for my next color combination. Thank you for watching.